This is biology grade 9. ठीक है. We are going to start this book, biology grade 9. It's National Book Foundation. ठीक. Now, this is the preface of the book. ठीक. Now, these are the contents of the book. The branches of biology, the biodiversity, cell cycle, tissue organ and organ system, molecular biology, metabolism, plant physiology, plant reproduction, evolution. These are total 10 chapters, and inshallah, we will cover all these chapters within a month. So, please, if you come to my channel, subscribe my channel, and I will help you to complete whole syllabus of grade 9 in just 1 month. It is basically the board I am following is federal board, and as you all know that federal board requires a very thorough and a deep study. So let's start with the first chapter. The first chapter of the book, it is the science of biology, and see what we are going to study. First, the basic definition of biology. Second, reference in light of Quran. The major fields of biology, the subfields of biology, and we will also relate biology with other groups of science and the careers that we can choose while we are um, taking biology as our major subject. And then it's the collaboration of different fields and the all the scientific approach, the scientific method, and in the last we will be focusing on all components of scientific method. Now because we are going to start first with the introduction to biology. This is our first topic, and in this topic we will start with science. What is science? Everything that you are looking around is science. All the nature that is inspiring you, it is science. Science is a process of collecting information about the world around us. It is all about the information that you collect through your observation. Much of the time, the first step in collecting information is asking a question. Always remember, to ask question is the start of the process of gaining knowledge. Why do I feel pain when I touch a hot object? Simple everyday life questions. ठीक. Because when we ask something, our mind start to focus on ability of observation, and all that we learn, it is what we observe around us. So science, the study of science helps us to answer how, what, where, and why. Okay, when we think critically about our surroundings in terms of how it happened, what did it happen, where it happened, why it happened, all that makes us come to the point where we can define science and biology. Definition of biology. The word biology is a Greek word. Okay? It has two parts, bios and logos. Bios means life and logos means to study. Okay? Study through reasoning. Biology is a study of living organisms. It helps us to explain how living things relate to one another and to their surroundings. So that was all about biology. Okay? My first question is what is science? Then it's what is biology? Okay? So these two things you must be knowing. First, what is science? What is biology? Now the next, it is the Quranic instructions to reveal the study of life. As Muslims, we always take references from our Quran. Okay? If we have a thorough study of Quran Majid, then we come to know that all the sciences, they are coming from Quran. Scientific proofs, they are given in Quran. But that what we need is to think upon what we are reading in the Quran. So first thing, two references that I quote, or three references, okay, that can I easily quote from Quran, okay, about life or about origin of life. First, it is that life it originated in water. We made everything from water, okay. So it is a proven fact that all living things they are made of 60 to 90% of water, and this shows that they all living things they have a common origin, okay, because they are all made up of water. 70% of our bodies are water. It is waja'alna minal ma'i kulli shay'in hayyin. We made everything living, every living thing from water. Next, it is the origin or creation of man, okay. How man is created, it is he made man from clay like the potter. So it is about that the creation of the man is in two steps. First step is the step when the creator is saying, when Allah is saying that how he created life with the help of water. And the second step, it is about that he created the man from clay. So there are two things. To if we mix water and clay, we can create many things. So the man or the life has a very simple creation. Allah mixed just two things, water and clay, and created the whole life on the earth. Created man on the earth. It can be used for all animals. Okay? For all animals, as man shares all characteristics of life with other animals. Man is basically from kingdom Animalia. So all the life on the earth is a simple art of a pottery maker. ठीक है? If you come around a pottery maker, sit around him, you will see how he mixes a clay with water and construct lot of different pots. But the shape he wants to give to them. Just like Allah is a potter, He has created all living things from water and clay. Now, third is the reference of development. Then fashioned we drop a clot. Then fashioned we the clot a little lump. Then fashioned we little lump bones. Then clotted the bones with flesh. Allah is telling you how the human being passes through lots of steps. There is a developmental procedure. When a baby comes into the world, he or she passes through a developmental procedure. As in the Quran, he's saying man is just a drop of a clot of blood. Okay? Just a clot. It is a little lump. Okay? And then the lump gets bone, it gets flesh. So that is all about the scientific proof of life from Quran. Muslim scientists have made great contribution to the field of biology. The knowledge of Jabir bin Hayyan, Abdul Malik Asmai and Abu Ali Sina have contributed a lot in the development of present day knowledge of plants and animals. You know, there are the three famous Muslim scientists. Abu Ali Sina, internationally known all around the world. Abdul Malik Asmi, he is very famous scientist. He was very famous scientist. And Jabir bin Hayyan. So all these Muslim scientists, they got lot of fame in their field. They were the great scientists and they had a lot of knowledge about plants and animals.